All right, y'all, so this is the front door area. I'm gonna bring you into the lobby. So the first set of doors locks, which is nice, and then this is the second set of doors, which also locks. So this is the first place that you see when you walk in. This is, I guess, a little nook for you to eat breakfast if you want. There is air conditioning in this area, which is nice. So you come into the main room. You got this full body mirror, which I will definitely be utilizing. Y'all, I'm filming this on my cell phone. I was gonna use my camera, but meh. So we have our seating area here, which is honestly pretty comfy. And then if you come over here, you got plenty of storage. If you come over to this area, we have a TV, which is nice. They do have Netflix on here, and then just your local cable channels. And then office desk, which is nice. You can get work done here. We've been using this to kind of boil water, just for the sake of brushing our teeth and washing our face and all of that. There's also pots in the kitchen, which I'll show you in a bit. They gave us sparkling water and premium mineral water. And so far it seems like they've been kind of re-upping on this every day, which is nice. And then they gave us this cute little bowl full of goodies. So it's hot chocolate, cream, coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker. Sugar, and then they gave tea as well. So then behind this door is our bathroom. So our bathroom is really nice. These towels have been used already. I tried to fold them cute like how they had it, but this is the name of the hotel if anyone's wondering. So don't be all up in my comments, y'all, talking about what hotel is right here. This is the bedroom area. This is his side, so he can control the lights from here, I believe. Oh, there we go. They have just their extensions to call, front desk, restaurant, and security, because I think there's room service here. This is the bed. I really like that there's these nooks here to put just our necessities, mouthwash, whatever, next to the bed. And then this is my side. So over here, they just give us like a TV channel list with all of their local channels on it. Another thing I like is the universal outlets. So some of the outlets in the room are like this, and some of them are like this. So we have an adapter, but it's good to know that we have some outlets that are universal. All the switches for the rooms are like outside the room. So this is the kitchen area. A little small. We've already kind of started putting stuff in. This is, I guess, the stove area. So I will say, when we booked this place, we did book an apartment room, which looked a little different in the pictures, but I don't know if there was like a mishap or something, but they ended up putting us in the executive suite. So that's what this one is. This is not the apartment room. This is an executive suite. So I don't know if this was supposed to just be kind of like a mini kitchenette area, but because they knew that we had booked the apartment room, they added more or what. But they did kind of give us these burners. This is what we're gonna kind of use to cook. Our plan was to buy some groceries because we didn't want to, be eating out every single day. So our plan is to cook for the majority of this trip, and then we'll probably do like a couple of dinners at night. And then on the days that we're doing excursions, we'll probably eat out that whole day. Gave us salt, black pepper. I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. So if someone knows what this is, can you like comment down below? Is this oil to cook? I don't know. Last, we have the balcony. And I think our room right now, or our room in this building, is the only one that comes with a balcony. Our balcony is huge. So we got the big room with the balcony, which is nice. So this is our balcony. As you can see. So we're definitely going to be utilizing a lot of time out here because it's really warm, but this is a little breakfast nook also. So we have the one that's inside in the air conditioning, and then we can also sit out here if we want breakfast too. So if you come over to this side, they provided us with the drying rack. So if we go swimming or anything like that, we can dry our bathing suits out here. And then I think this is just the back of where the AC is. This is where the fan comes out. I did not the room came with Netflix? Okay, excuse me. And then they also have the button for Amazon Prime, but you have to log into your own Prime, but they have Netflix. You excited?